we're going to be checking out the only game that lets you send a cursed Boeing 747 10,000 kilometers into space. It's Spaceflight Simulator. Now, for those of you who know where I came up with that intro, yeah, you know where I came up with that intro. Don't question it. It's Gray Still Plays. Go ahead and check out his channel. So he plays all these indie games, and he puts hashtag indie in all of his games and all of his titles. And they're pretty much sandbox games that say don't mess this up, and he just messes it up in more ways than one. And so I'm gonna try doing that. Anyways, build rocket. And, yeah, we're just gonna launch it straight away. Your rocket has no heat shield. I don't see a reason for it to need a heat shield. I'm probably gonna mess this up so bad, but I'm still not gonna worry about it. Well, what the, heck is going on here? Why am I going, what is going on with my height? Oh my god. Now I can kind of understand why I needed that heat shield. I saw a overheating sign. So what that means, folks, is what you would expect. My rocket was overheating. But honestly, I don't even really know why you would call this a rocket. This is more of a distorted looking Boeing 747 trying to like friggin' take off from a landing strip, or however the frick you would call it. No. What? Yeah, revert to launch. See if we can't make this any more screwed up than it already is. So I was told that this game is very popular. I don't really understand why. I mean, it's a 2D spaceflight simulator, but at the same time, like, what in the world has it got to offer? You have to pay for half of the things. But I won't judge. But this Boeing 747 is rookie numbers. Absolute rookie numbers. This is garbage. I want to see if we can make a Tomahawk. Or whatever the freak that thing was called. I don't remember. Oh, crap. How the heck did we crash? I'm also wondering, like, what the heck is over here, too. I honestly have no idea, but if I can find out what the heck is over there. What the heck? Hey, at least it was just that one engine. Now, where the heck is that? Oh. Remember, there was like another one. Now, what the heck was this thing? Also, if you hear an alarm going off, that's just me. My phone. Well, this thing really takes off like a Cessna. But I want it to take off like a Boeing 747, like it should be. I don't even know what the crap this thing is. Like, I just saw something. I saw it. And I don't even know what the heck it was. It's way, way over here. Yep, that's the alarm I was talking about. By now I honestly don't even care. I just want to find out what the heck this thing is. Is it moving? Well, I guess we aren't going to be figuring out what the heck that is. Well, anyways, this is a really short video because now I have to go. But I hope you guys enjoyed.